Hi everyone, today we discuss about the pressure switch controls, how it's work. If you guys are know about this one, will be again I will discuss some words from my side. If you can see this one square D, it's have the 6 bar and 12 bar control pressure switch this one. So there is a knob, you can see this one. You can use a tester or screwdriver to loose this one. And there is two side contactors are there. So it's just like a switch. It's when the pressure will be reach, it will be give the command to the pump, and the pump will be off, and it's move from the back. So there is a two springs are there and two nut bolts are there. The big one for the pressure increasing. Once you tight this one, pressure will be increased, and once we lose this one, the pressure will be decreased. And there is a another one, the small one. It will be.